Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever noticed how in most companies, whenever something goes wrong, people just send emails or WhatsApp messages or call someone directly? And then what happens? Nothing is tracked, nobody knows who is working on it, and you are stuck following up again and again. So, this is a big mess. So, to solve this mess, ServiceNow exists. So, in this video, I'll explain you what ServiceNow actually is in very simple form, in a very simple words, with real life examples. So, even if you are from non-IT background, this video will surely help you. Before understanding ServiceNow, you need to understand the problem. Most companies still handle work like this. They'll send emails for approval, they'll use Excel sheet for tracking, make phone calls for follow-ups, and WhatsApp messages saying, "Brother, help me." Now imagine this at very high scale. A company with 5,000 to 10,000 employees. In this company, IT gets at least 1,000 requests a day. HR gets onboarding requests, finance gets approval requests. So everything will be scattered without ServiceNow. No visibility, no accountability, no automation. So ServiceNow was created to fix this exact chaos. Now let me define ServiceNow in the simplest way possible. ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform that helps companies manage work digitally in one place. That's it. It's not just for IT, it's not just for tickets, it's a workflow platform. Any request, any approval, any process, instead of email and Excel, everything happens inside ServiceNow. So let's take a real life example. Suppose your office laptop suddenly stops working. Without ServiceNow, you will call IT. They'll say, "Mail us first." Then you will send them mail. Then you will follow up at least for 3 times. Still, you will have no clarity. And at the end, you will find out that you still have no clarity on when your laptop will start working. Now, with ServiceNow, you will raise a ticket in the system. It automatically goes to the right IT team. The priority of your ticket will be set. Status will be visible to you, and SLA timer will start. This will help you to get update automatically. So there is no chasing involved, no confusion involved, and no begging involved. Everything is tracked. That's ServiceNow in action. Now this part is very important because beginners get confused here. So let's understand, as we already understand what ServiceNow is, we need to understand what ServiceNow is not. ServiceNow is not just a ticketing tool. And also it's not any programming language like most of the beginners thinks that it's a programming language. Well, it's not a programming language. And another thing is that ServiceNow is not only for IT people. Today company use ServiceNow for HR onboarding, finance approvals, employee exits, facility requests, security incidents. So IT is just one of the part of ServiceNow. ServiceNow is for the entire organization. Well, who actually uses ServiceNow today? Well, the answer is big companies. And I really mean big companies. Banks, product companies, MNCs, consulting firms, IT teams use it daily. HR teams also use it daily. Managers approve things on it daily. If a company has more than a few hundred employees, chances are they already use ServiceNow or are planning to use it. Now you might be wondering, why do companies pay crores for ServiceNow? So simple reasons. One platform instead of 10 tools. Automations saves times and money. Everything in ServiceNow is auditable. Management gets full visibility. And as the company grows, ServiceNow is very easy to scale. It scales easily as company grows. So for companies, ServiceNow is not a cost, it's a business backbone. Now let's talk about you. Why should you learn ServiceNow? Because it's a very high demand skill globally. And the most important is that it doesn't require hard coding to start. It has very clearer path, and surely it will pay you well compared to the efforts you will give in. And the best part is that most people are scared of it, which means very less competition for people who actually want to learn it properly. And that's exactly what this channel is about. If you're serious about learning ServiceNow from scratch, subscribe and join this channel, because this is a proper step-by-step series, not just any random videos. In the next video, I'll show you how ServiceNow actually looks inside and how companies structure their instances. See you in the next one.